you're new here, what should they do, Faith?
Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Like and subscribe. Today, guys, we are at where?
Kids Empire for my bestie April's birthday.
Yes, we're at Kids Empire, and we're going to take you guys with us. So let's get into the birthday party.
That you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you wish it. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know. I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Hey guys, after you watch the full video, head over to our shorts to see what kind of birthday present we bought April. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so the party is over. It's really dark because I just picked the kids up from my mom's house, but we had an amazing time. Did you have fun, Faith?
Yeah, it was the best time of my life.
Oh, she said it was the best time of her life. It was so fun, guys.
And I'm gonna be going to our next birthday party at Pump It Up, so you guys better stay tuned.
Yes, God, we invited to another party next Saturday. So
No, Friday.
Oh, it's Friday.
Yeah.
she's going to another birthday party Friday. She's invited to another party, and this place is going to be at the Pump It Up. So stay tuned for that video. So guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We'll see you in the next vlog. Stay healthy, stay blessed,
Say love.
stay love, stay amazing. We'll
Stay
see.
beautiful,
Stay
stay
beautiful,
handsome.
stay handsome, and all that stuff, right, Faith?
Yeah.
Peace out. We love y'all. Don't forget to head over to our YouTube Shorts to see what we bought April for her birthday. Bye. Thanks for watching. Peace and blessings.